Hey guys, Bubble Pop Kids here. Get ready for a super duper relaxing show. I got some fidgets on my table today. Welcome back guys, and you're probably wondering what is on your table. What are these crazy looking little things? They actually look like they're made of glass, but they are plastic. They are so cool. Let me show you. Fidget spinners. That is what is going crazy right now. Everybody has them. Everybody wants them. They are so cool. These little things you spin in your hand. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but these, in my opinion, are the original fidget spinners. Basically, I'm just going to call them fidgets because I don't know what to call them. They so remind me of fidget spinners because they kind of spin and you look at them and they're super crazy to look at. I have 6 different ones here, different colors. And pretty much I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to play some nice music and let you see what these are all about. Get a little relaxing going. Come on. enjoyed it. Just these amazing little bubblers, my kind of fidget toys. I think they are the coolest. And we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.